Welcome you all. In class 11th accountancy, we are on chapter number 8, that is bills of exchange, and already we completed in this chapter the meaning, different terminology, different parties. Yesterday in class we classified bills of exchange in different parts and difference between bills of exchange and promissory note. And then in the previous class, I explained you the general entries accounting treatment of bills of exchange. And that I will explain you with the PPT. With the help of PPT, see, first of all, we have to identify the drawer and drawing. Okay, drawer and drawing in the question. Who are the drawer, who are the drawing, and then accordingly we have to decide. So see, first of all, I am going to tell you accounting treatment for bills of exchange, 4 conditions, 4 payment mechanisms. Retain the bill till the date of maturity means the drawer will not do anything and keep that bill with him till the maturity. And second, retain the bill and send to bank for collection. It means the drawer will not do anything but send the bill for collection to the bank, because banks are providing the services of collection by charging some charges or some amount. This is giving the safety of the bill. And third, gets the bill discounted from the bank. It means if the drawer wants to get early payment before maturity, he can discount it from the bank and endorse the bill in favor of his creditor. As I told you, same like check, bills of exchange can also be transferred to, transfer to creditors. But the condition is that you cannot change the amount, you cannot change the date, and even you cannot change anything written on the bill of exchange. If you are changing, then that bill may be cancelled. So the reason is you cannot change the amount in words, in numbers. You cannot change the date of expiry, means payment date, maturity date. You cannot change the date of writing, means the date when the bill is issued. Yes. So this is the rule. You cannot change it, but you can transfer it. So transfer is known as endorsement. Okay, so there are 4 situations when you can for payment. Now, please, one by one, you should note down. In place of debtor and creditor, we have to write the name of the person. As I told you, in place of A and B, that may be X, Y, or some other person's names are there, as we have done Kaju and Aju. So various names we can keep. Only the name, amount and dates will change. Other all things will remain same. So look at the screen, then one by one I will explain you how to do it. See. First, sale and purchase of goods transaction, then debtors to sales. See, in place of debtors, you will write the name of the drawee, who is known as acceptor, and the narration, goods sold. Simple, goods sold, because that entry is related with sales. Okay, so what I have told you just now, in place of debtors, you will write the name of drawing. Now see, purchase account debit to creditors, but in place of creditors, you will write, this is the easiest way I can tell you. Don't change the entry, change the names only. In the exam, we cannot give you the same name like always A and B. Various names are there, various amounts, different amount may be there, different date can be there. So, in place of creditor, what will you write? Name of drawer. Okay, like A, if that drawer is A. Clear? Now second condition. The drawer is debit here. Now that drawer will credit here. Yes. Same name. Now bills receivable account debit to debtors account. Debtor means the drawee who got the goods, now giving the bills receivable. He is the giver and the entry is bills receivable account debit because that comes in. And who is the giver? That drawee is the giver or the person to whom you debited here will be credited here. Okay. Now what will be the general narration? Bill receipt. Okay. Now same. That will be easy way for you. That's why I am telling you to note it down. Now, and you can arrow it or underline it. Now, the creditor's account debit to bills payable. That creditor which is credited here now will become the receiver. That's why debited. And in payment, what is going out? Bills payable. See, my dear children, for drawer, that is always bills receivable. And for drawing, that is always bills payable. Now, why? For him, that is bills receivable because he is selling the goods. He is giving the goods, that's why he will take the payment in future. And why bills payable for him? Why he has written bills payable? Because he purchased the goods and giving bills payable in return. Okay? Now see. Collection of bill. Cash comes in and bills receivable is the payment. Clear? Now, for him, bills payable account debit to cash. See, this bills payable credit here, now debit here, payment made by cash or bank. Now, what will be the narration? Payment made on maturity. See, retain the bill till the date of maturity. So, what will you write? Yes, please. What will you write? Bills payable account debit to cash or to bank. See, it's my suggestion to you. In the old books, that is written cash. But according to income tax law in India, you cannot make the cash payment more than 20,000 rupees. So in place of cash, you will write bank, then it will be easy. Nowadays, so it's easy to make the payment through bank. But if you will write cash, then it is correct. If you will write bank, then also it is correct. And if you will write cash oblique bank, then also it is correct. Okay, so this is the first condition, retains the bill till the date of maturity. It means A is the drawer, will keep the bill with him, sit peacefully and get the payment on maturity. 3 days of grace he will add on the collection of bill date. Okay, and what will he do? He will give the bill return and get the payment. He will get his bills payable and make the payment. So, in the narration, you will write payment received on maturity and he will write payment made on maturity. So, first condition, got it clear? Get the payment on maturity. Now, second case. See, now that is difficult for you because new thing, that is new for you. See, nowadays, many factoring agencies, many private banks, as well as nationalized banks, giving facilities for ban for collection. BSC, okay? Ban, sent to bank for collection. Means if the drawer is very busy, very much overburdened, then what he has to do? Maybe he will forget the date of manufacture, date the maturity, and maybe the bill may be lost. Then in that case, what option available? Drawer can send the bill to the bank for collection. Bank will collect it and give the payment. Okay, so see again. Same, debtors to sales, purchase to creditor, that entry will be same. No need to explain it again. Bills receivable to debtor means drawing, drawer to bills payable, that is also same. See, these two entries will be same in his book and his book every time. See, so that is the easiest way I am telling you. Now, the drawer has power to send this bill for collection to the bank. So he will open one account, that is BSC, bill sent for collection to BR. But Roy will not pass any entry because he doesn't know what the drawer is doing with his bill, keeping with him or sending the bill to the bank. He just make the payment on maturity and pass the same general entry. Okay, bank debit to BS. Now what the bank will do? Bank will collect the payment and deposit in his drawers account. Okay, note it down please. These two you can write same, same. Okay, same means according this. First same. Okay, now same, same. Any doubt? Note down please. Note down. Same, same. Tanish Malik, I told you, please keep your videos on. Tanish Malik. Achal Jain. Mayur, Rabjog, Rishiraj. Please, Mahek Bajaj. Please switch your video on. Yes. Now, after that, the third condition. Third condition is bill discounted from bank. Bill discounted from bank means the drawer has power to discount it from the bank and get the payment before maturity. See the way, easiest way, get the bill discounted from the bank, it means the drawer has power to discount it and get the early payment. So what will he do? He first sell the goods, he will purchase the goods, same, get the bill, give the bill, same. That's why it's easy to learn. Same, you can write same. Okay. But in exam you have to pass the entry. Now discounting the bill. See, just now I told you Roy will not pass any general entry for discounting the bill because he doesn't know what the drawer is doing with his bill. Keeping with him, sending to the bank or discounting it. Now see, bank account debit, discount charges account debit to bills receivable. Bank will charge some discount charges. What will be the formula? See, simple. Discount charges is equals to amount of bill into rate into time, and you know about that time. In your childhood, you have learned that formula, principal into time into rate. Same formula for interest calculation will be same as well as discount charges will also be the same. Principal amount into time into rate. Amount of bill into time into rate. Okay, so that will be easy for you, and rate is always in percent, that's why upon 12. Now on maturity of the bill, he will not get any payment. Why? Why he will not get any payment? Because already he has taken the payment from bank. Now the bank has right to take this payment. And what the entry he will pass? Same. He will take his bill payable and make the payment. What will be the narration? Payment made on maturity. Here what will be the narration? Bill discounted from bank. Okay. Now last case. Endorsement. See, first two conditions are same. Debtors to sales, purchase to creditors. Bills receivable to debtors, creditors to bills payable. In place of debtor, creditor, you will write the name. Now, third party. Here he will write the name of the third party, this. Third party means to whom he is endorsing the bill, to whom he is giving the bill, and to bills receivable. Now again, drawee will not pass any general entry. Why he will not pass any general entry? Because he doesn't know what the drawer is doing with his bill. He will make the payment on maturity. So maturity date will come and drawee will do the same general entry as he is doing from beginning. Bills payable debit to bank, payment made on maturity, and he will not pass any general entry. Now my question is, why he will not pass any general entry here? Because yes, he is endorsed this bill to the third party. So now he doesn't have any right to take the payment again. See, drawer has 4 options. 4. Keep the bill till maturity, bill sent for collection, bill discounted, get the early payment, bill endorsed means give it to third party and that person will become paying. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards we will start the numericals, and please copy it, those who want to copy it. See, just now I will explain you again. Samriddhi, Achal, Tanish, please keep your video on. Akshi, Manan Sharma, Noel John, Mayur. See, the drawer has 4 rights, 4 options for that bill. Keep that bill till maturity, retain the bill and send it to the bank for collection. Discounted it from the bank. Yes, Tanish, please switch your video on. And endorse his bill in favor of his creditor. Now see, first condition. See, you should learn these 2 entries because these 2 are the basics. Debtors to sales, that will be same in every condition. Tanish, please keep your video on. And that will be purchased to creditors. Why you switch off your videos frequently, my dear? Don't record it. Don't take the screenshots. I am giving you time to note it down, beta. Bills receivable to debtors, bills received, and creditors to bills payable, narration bill accepted, and then on the maturity, because this is the first case. Maturity payment will come through cash or bank. Bills receivable is going out. Now I am telling you the easiest way. Debtor debit, debtor credit, cancel. DR debit, DR credit, cancel. Ultimate entry is cash debit to sales. But this one entry we cannot pass because this is credit transaction, and that transaction is possible with the help of bills of exchange, and the payment will received at the time of maturity only with 3 days of grace. Now data means drawee will pass the entry. First he will pass the entry for purchase, then giving the bills payable, then on maturity he will make the payment. Then again, second option. Second option is bill sent for collection. Bill sent for collection means now the banks are giving facilities to their account holders, so they will collect their amount and deposit it in their bank account. First two entries will be same in both the books. This entry, BSC debit to BR, because he is sending the bill to the bank. But drawee will not pass any entry, and on maturity he will pass the same entry, BP to cash, BP to cash, or bank. Generally through bank, because bank will take the amount. And nowadays it is online. Bank to, yes Tanish, show me your copy beta. Have you noted down all the things? Then why you have not noted down? Yesterday also you have not copied beta. When will you complete your work then? Max, show me your copy. Yesterday also you are doing on page and on rough work. Please make your copies properly. Mayur, please keep your videos remain on, bache. Now gets the bill discounted from the bank. See, the drawer has right to get the early payment, so he may approach to the bank. The bank will give this facility to their account holders. So what the drawer can do, only the drawer can do, go to the bank, give it to the bank will debit the amount but charge some discount charges on bill and to bills received. But the drawee will not pass any general entry. Now on maturity he will make the payment, but he will not pass any entry because already he has taken the amount by discounting it. Now last, endorsed. Drawer has power to transfer it to third party, that is known as creditors. Creditors to bills receivable, he will not pass any entry, and then on maturity he will make the payment. Now your doubt please. If you have any doubt you can ask. Yes, any doubt? If you have any doubt you can ask. Yes please. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Tanish, do you have any doubt up to here? From tomorrow, we will start the numerical practice questions, theory part, and the table you can learn. Make your table proper.